Hi there. Check out the HBTower telescoping ladder, a 12.5-foot red aluminum extension ladder designed for safety and convenience. It features 2 triangle stabilizers that reduce wobble by 36%, making it more stable than similar ladders. The ladder is built from high-quality aluminum alloy, resistant to wear, rust, and extreme temperatures, supporting up to 330 pounds. Smart locking pins ensure each section retracts smoothly and locks securely for safe use. This multi-purpose ladder works great indoors or outdoors, perfect for attics, roofs, or RVs. Its collapsible design and fixed belt make it easy to carry and store anywhere. Whether you're doing home repairs or outdoor work, this ladder is a reliable choice. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.